Okay, I'm back at it. I never sent these drawings off. You can see that I think since the last time I was recording, I just added two perspectives, and I might have just done one or two things just because I was kind of tinkering and thinking about what I was going to do. But the reason I didn't send these drawings is because I hate to send busted plans to somebody and say, yeah, here's what doesn't work, without backing it up with here's what does work. So I guess what I'm going to do right now is take our proposed conditions model and save another copy and call it option B. You know, maybe rename this one option A, make the other one option B, and just whip something up and see which direction they go. I don't think I'll lose any work right this second by having two concurrent models. And I honestly, this doesn't work, so I can't imagine how this is going to move forward. So we'll just kind of save it as option B and then see where we get. So I'm going to do this one real quick though. It's Friday at 6 o'clock and I'm ready to go home. It's been a busy day. It's been a busy 2 weeks, and let's get this thing knocked out. So, all right, here's my SketchUp model. I'm going to go, actually, you know what? I'm just going to close this and open up our visualization projects, and then under our HQ, here's our proposed conditions, and I'll just rename this space dash space option A, and I'm going to do a copy and a paste, and then I'm going to rename the copy is going to be option B. All right, so we'll just kind of back this up and call that option B. And option B is the one that I want to work on. So we're going to open up option B. All these drawings are still in place. So as far as Condoc is concerned, I'm just going to kick out the drawings again. You know, I can just work on this and kind of make it whatever I want it to be. And I guess what I want this to be, or what I think is a better solution, I'm going to leave the lights alone for now. I think what's a better solution is to put I would put the 3 desks right here. And, you know, these couches, I think that the couches in this arrangement needs to end up over here. And all the desks need to kind of go in this bullpen area. And I think that that is going to be a really clean solution. And it keeps kind of that whole public-private space. You know, this is all private. It's hidden back here. When you walk in, you're in the bar, you're in the meeting area, or whatever we're going to call this area with the couch. And then you got to get work your way back into this more private area where the computer screens are on and the papers are on people's desks. So, all right. So I guess first thing I could do is just get in my furniture here, and let's just rotate our furniture like that. And I'm going to call it 90. And I'm going to scoot this over here. And you know what? I'm going to use my mirror plugin. And let's mirror this. It's amazing how much this mirror plugin has come up lately. I've really, let me undo that. And I've really started using this a ton, which I'm not sure how I lived without it to begin with. All right. Well, I do know how. I used to scale to -1, but I always had to copy and paste in place. And so anyway, this is going to kind of sit right here. I think that's a much better place for this couch, you know? All right. And then these desks are, I would think that the desks would do something like maybe, I don't know. Well, let's play with it. So I'm going to turn one like this. I don't know if you could, I think for sure you could get one doing this like that, kind of against this wall here. So we'll just kind of do this like that. And I'll leave the TV alone for now. I'm thinking one desk here, and then one desk here, and then one desk roughly, you know, maybe, I would love to have symmetry, but let's see what we come up with. All right, so we'll do that. And actually, this could shape up real nice. There's hope. There's hope. All right, so we're going to put this in place, and yeah, I think that's going to be the scenario. If you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, Layout, Lumion, and our Condoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you're going to love our tutorials.